Thanks for watching. We want to talk about these here half windshields. They come up to right here, which give or take here, but my machine is lifted a little bit with the Elka Stage 4s on there. We got these for $115 a piece on Amazon. So if you're interested in them, go down and check the links below. You'll see them there. And check out my other videos that I've done to these things. Elka shocks, spacers, lift kits. Don't forget, I put 800EX shocks on a 500 trail. Check that video out too. That one's super cool. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And I wanted to tell you, for $115, these are nice. You can't complain too much because they're $115 shipped to your door. But I have to say, the hardware that they include is the most cheapest, inexpensive stuff you could ever see. The screws are kind of jagged on the ends. Some are long, some are short. They're not all the identical size, and even comparing the screws from both kits, not a single one of them is the same size. Not a huge deal. You could get your own screws or just use them like I did. Not a big deal. I do wish that they gave us little rubber pads to put between the metal bracket and the windshield, so you don't over tighten these. I got them tightened where I don't think they're too tight, but they're not too loose either, because you don't want it cracking over time. These are thick. They're nice and thick, so I don't think that they would. And I want to address some folks' comments about if you get the cheap ones, they'll scratch. Well, if you get the cheap ones and you don't take care of them properly, you'll scratch them, yes. You will scratch them. If you get the cheap ones and you clean the mud off of them easy with a pressure washer and don't wipe them with a rag, scratches are going to be very minimal. Well, I don't ball haul in the mud, so I'm not too worried about this at all. Yeah, they're going to see some scratches from dust and other debris, but I have a solution to that. And I didn't do it to these because we did the Redneck Garage YouTube channel, and we did Roxy over here. But you could go to Walmart and get yourself some it's real cheap, window tint. Tint the front of this. That'll put a layer of film, decent thickness of film over this. It's going to be tinted, so I think it'll look cool. So I think I'm going to tint the back to make it give you that tint color, but you could tint the front and the back too if you wanted to. And then if it ever gets all scratched up, just peel that off and start over again. Problem solved. Now, do I think driving these down the road on a trailer is going to be an issue? No, I don't. Will they hold up to 90? I don't know. I think they will. Their claim to, I don't foresee a problem. So we'll just go with that. I don't foresee a problem. Should you be hauling a trailer at 90 mile an hour? No. So if something happens at 90, it's kind of your fault anyway. But I hope you guys like this little video. I'm trying to keep it short here. We got so much stuff planned. It's super cold out here. My heater's broke. I got to put brakes on my truck. My truck needs tires. I got a ton of stuff I have to do. So I've been slacking on the videos. Bear with me. But as soon as we're able to, we're going to start punching them out again. Some cool stuff. And we want to get back to working on that golf cart over there. And then there's a few things that I want to do to this. I want to change the front wheel bearings and the rear bushings. So as soon as I get those in, we'll probably do a video on those sometime here soon. I'm also working with a company local to me to maybe customize me some high clearance A-arms that will push the fronts up 1.5 inches and push the rears back 1.5 inches to give me a little bit longer of a wheelbase. That'll help with stability and stuff when you're slinging around. So I'm talking to a few companies, and I'm also talking to a company that is interested in producing the rear high clearance A-arms for us. So listen guys, I put a poll up in the ZForce Nation group about those. Go find it and vote, because I have a company that will manufacture them, wants to manufacture them. We have to show them the interest, but I've been talking to him. He seems like he's super interested, and he said it was a great idea. So Super ATV don't have them anymore, but this guy, I'm talking to him about just doing a package deal, fronts and rears. That way you don't have a set of Super ATV fronts and a set of whatever on the back. These would be matching from the same company. So I'm trying to talk with him, but go find that poll in my group and check that out. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name right here. And a huge shout out to my friend Ladesta for doing the windshields. We ordered the windshields and had them straight taken over to her house, and she did all this stuff. If you guys need any of this stuff done, she is the woman, and I'll have her email right here. Okay? So message her over. She does hats, shirts, whatever. She'll do it. She's a one-woman show, so bear with her a little bit. She does great work. Her attention to detail is spot on. Listen, guys. Yeah, her attention to detail is just the best. I'm not just saying that because she's my friend. I'm saying that because I take my stuff to her. And I'm the kind of guy that don't really like nobody touching my stuff. So, yeah, check her out, definitely. If you need any shirts or anything done, check her out. She'll custom make whatever. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Much appreciated. Let me know what you think about the lighting in here. Is it better? Do I need to make it a little bit more better? Me, I'm happy with it. It's nice and bright. I can see everything, but I want feedback from you guys. So let me know down in the comment section. That'll also let me know that you watched the video all the way through. So thank you guys. Peace out. God bless. Happy riding, and we'll see you on the trails this summer.